dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna find pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Samsbeauty.com. Today's unit comes from the brand Sensationnel, and it's from their Butta lace collection in the style Butta Unit 30. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and to me it instantly gives Vice Unit 10 from Sensationnel as well. The only differences I'm noticing just from like looking at the two images is that the colors are different, and then obviously this one is cut a little bit shorter than that one. I know everybody and their mom was going crazy over that unit about a year to 2 years ago. I have my own personal thoughts and opinions of the unit, and if you want to find out those thoughts and opinions, you can check out that video right here. I'll link it up in the cards above. But Vice Unit 10 is not the unit that you're here for. You are here for Butta Unit 30, so let's go ahead and get into it. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, one in the back, the other 2 are at the front, one on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps. According to the stock card, this unit is said to have virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs, and a natural density hairline. Looking at the unit straight out of the box, I would agree with most things that are listed here on the stock card. My only one complaint would be the wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area. I don't really understand why they put wide, seeing as how the parting space is like barely a full 1 inch wide. Like, I don't know, I guess when I think of wide, I'm thinking like maybe 2 to 3 inches, and I get it, like this is Sensational's thing, they always put that, but I just take the wide part out, please and thank you. This unit is also said to be heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, would I put that much heat on a synthetic unit? No, because I am afraid that it's going to melt the fibers, but I mean, hey, if you want to try it out, by all means go for it. This unit is offered in multiple different colors, and I'll pop it up here on the screen for you all. I received the balayage latte. I feel like my second choice would have probably been the balayage, or not balayage, flamboyage chocolate, and of course you can never go wrong with either 1B, or 2. But those are all of the specs that I want to go over regarding this unit. Let's go ahead and install her, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts and opinions.
Everything good, you know that I want it. Swoop down on you. Yeah, I see something in your love.
Okay, so before we go any further into this video, I like the unit. It's cute. The blonde moment right here in the front is also cute. I don't like middle parts on me. If this is your first time on this channel, I've said it I don't want to say a million times, but I've said it a bunch of times. I don't really care for middle parts on me. It just doesn't look flattering. I feel like even if I were to put on makeup, it still just wouldn't be giving what it's supposed to give right now. So I'm actually going to see how this would look if I turned it to the side just a little bit, you know, see how we feel about it like that. Okay, I can get down with this. Yeah, I feel like I like it more turned to the side a little bit. I'm trying to also see if I like it more if I were to cut it, because let's be real, I get real scissor happy when it comes to units. But
Never stay around for a nigga that often. I'm just trying to talk with you. Something wrong with you, but I know you really wanna calm down, baby, yeah. It's nowhere for you to run out, baby, yeah. Hey, yeah, I know you want a real one, baby, yeah. Is that alright? Stay a little light. Ain't no waiting like late night. Late night. All your friends and leaving by midnight. Any nigga only thing I feel right. Say make that ain't what it look like. Down on it. swoop down on it. Birthday suit, that's your new style on it. Birthday coupe, that's a new 500. You too fly for me, too fly, honey, you too fly. Move my down, make them like you, I do. Get me fitted for a suit top, who's side? Do I don't listen to that who rock? Who's hot, who's not, that's weak. I saw you and told my niggas wait, that's me. Saw you and they say you embracing your physique. Sorry, but I can't help but think it was some me. She naughty, we left the party, I had to look down on it. Everything good, you know that I want it.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Sensationnel. Earlier, I spoke about how I like the color of the unit, but I don't know. It's like the longer I wear it, the more I kind of almost feel a little bit indifferent about it. I'm almost feeling like I should have went with either a 1, 1B, or a 2. But I mean, obviously I wanted to do some type of color. So maybe I should have chosen the Flamboyage Chocolate. I almost feel like a darker color would have suited me more. It's just, for some reason, I'm feeling like this color is washing me out a tad bit, but then again, it could just all be in my head. Another thing I'm not really feeling about this unit is the styling of it. Now, earlier, I did speak about how middle parts are just not the best looking on me, and that's just my personal opinion, and that's perfectly fine. But I also did mention the fact that this unit reminded me of Vice Unit 10, and if you watched my review of Vice Unit 10, you would know that I was not the biggest fan of that unit. Now, 2 pros in comparison to Vice Unit 10 would be, number 1, this unit does feel a little bit thicker in comparison, and then also I like the fact that this unit is shorter. Although I'm not the biggest fan of the styling of the unit, I will say that I do appreciate the fact that I can turn the unit and almost create like a side part type of situation. I don't know, I just feel like that looks best on me. Now let's go ahead and move on to some pros regarding this unit. Earlier I stated how I'm really feeling the length of it, and I want to say it's hitting about 18, 20, maybe even 22 inches in length. It is a little bit longer on this side because I do have the unit like turned a bit, but I don't know, I feel like the unit would even look really good maybe like cut at shoulder length. I love when a synthetic unit looks good both long and short, because then I feel like you're really gonna get your money's worth. When a longer unit begins to, you know, like tangle and mat up towards the bottom, you can just cut it off and then boom, you got a brand new unit. But speaking of tangling and also shedding, I'm currently not receiving either one. I am getting a few snags here and there, but it's nothing out of the ordinary for a synthetic unit. When it comes to the density of this unit, I want to say that she's not thin, but she's also not thick either. She's kind of breathable in my opinion. I would definitely say that she's one of those units that you can get away with wearing like all year round. One of my favorite things about this unit is the lace. I didn't put any tint spray, foundation, powder, nothing on this lace, and I think that she's blending beautifully. The fact that it's giving like scalp right here in the parting space, but then it's also blending along the hairline, I don't know, I just feel like that says a lot about this lace. I'm using a brown stocking cap underneath the unit, and that's what's peeking through, causing the like scalp like effect. But then along the hairline, I would say that it could be plucked a little bit. I mean, there's not a whole lot of lace to hair ratio space to pluck, but I mean, let's be real, the hair is covering it, so who's really gonna notice that? I think something that's helping the hairline a ton is the fact that they pulled out and cut the baby hairs just right, in my opinion. I don't know, it gives that really messy, fluffy, just natural kind of look, if you will. My second favorite thing about this unit is the fit of it. If you're not new to the channel, then you have definitely heard me complain about how Sensationnel has a tendency to have like smaller fitting caps. This one is the complete opposite. It's stretchy, it's fitting comfortably, and so therefore I would definitely consider this a big head friendly type of unit. Sensationnel has beautiful units. I love the color blends, and for the most part I like the styling of their units, but because they tend to run a little bit on the small head friendly side, I tend to stay away from them. But whenever I get a unit like this, it's like, maybe I should continue to try out more. I don't know. Another thing that makes me want to continue to try out their units is the fact that I'm wearing this unit completely glueless. I mean, I'm talking about no spray, no glue, no nothing. And she's still fitting and blending beautifully and comfortably, like, yes ma'am. Now of course, if you want to make sure that the unit is very secure, either use the combs that are provided within the unit or take some bobby pins and just stick them on the sides of the unit. Because I do have the unit like turned to the side, obviously my sideburns and edges and whatnot are going to be exposed, but I mean, I'm fine with it. But yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions regarding this unit. Let me know if you plan on picking up this unit, or if you already have this unit, let me know your thoughts and opinions on it down in the comment section below. Thank you again to Samsbeauty for sending over this unit. It is much appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.